This is William from MyFit Ninja. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a front 360. So what you want to do for the flip is you want to jump up high. Do exactly like a front flip 180, but you're going to wait till you completely spin over. So if you haven't watched the front flip tutorial, learn how to do a front flip first. And after that, once you got the front flip down, you want to do a Brandy or Misty. And after that, the full is just waiting until you make it completely over. And you can go like this, whatever you want, but you just have to be tucked in. Like I said for the Misty tutorial. And so you just jump up. Do the same thing as the HTC. I'm going to do like a Misty. And then I'm just going to turn a little bit more to land my feet forward. If you saw that, I went 180 front flip, this, and then here I just turned a little bit more to this. You can do it straight if you want, or tucked, doesn't matter. I like better doing it tucked. And so after that, you just jump up, throw your arms up here, and you just wait till you make it over like this. And that's how to do a full front full.